Yeah.
What's up, idiots? Welcome to the Ed Show. Today we're on another adventure. We're out here at Kettle Creek. We're doing some kayaking. Stop for some dinner here. Got some rice here that Chef Jess made. Gotta come up with a nickname for you.
Yeah.
We got Fort Mac right there. Chef Jess and Luke from Rush Creek Survival back there. Rinsing out his rice container. Just cruising up and down the creek here. Found this nice spot. We got some, I don't know if you can see it because I'm in selfie mode. Got some pork chops and sausages on the fire there. I'm using Fort Mac's phone because I didn't have a dry sack, so I didn't bring mine with me. Yeah, I'm fumbling my words. Whatever. So hopefully we'll get some. What's that?
Ed Show in the raw.
That's right. So hopefully we'll get some footage out on the water.
Don't drop my phone. Stab you.
Well, you guys can do the filming.
Yeah.
And then send it to me.
Sausages are ready. Eat up, idiots.
I'm not going anywhere. Go. Well, idiots, we just met an awesome guy out here on the creek. Luke and I met him, and he's got a little animated, fell over.
He has phone on his lap.
Man down.
There's a kayak. Luke was the man and gave him his shirt, so he had a dry shirt to get home in.
Aren't you just so nice? Rockstar, Jessica eating her pork
Pretty
chop.
awesome guy. Hopefully we see him out on the creek again. I don't know if you can get him, but he's up there. No, you can't see him. That's usually the way.
Bye, buddy.
Cruising down the creek in my Pelican. Found a couple more bootlegger cars. Must have been dumped here back in the day. I think that's a Chevy over there. And this is a Regent back here behind me.
Let's see if I can canoe over there.
Here's the tires. Here's the front end of one. Or door, actually. You can see the side panel of the other car right over there. And it looks like there's another one up there in the woods. You can see in the brush over there. Found some bootlegger cars. Here and fix them up. Make some street rods out of them.
I'm in the massive rapids. I'm gonna run into a tree. Oh, hey, bud.
Hey, that's you.
Oh, hey.
I'm coming in.
I gotta get out of here, though. Just push off the rock.
I'm gonna do it again.
I'm trying to kayak backwards, one-handed. You guys are both stuck. The women need to come save you.
Yeah, do we?
Hold my paddle! Well, Jess and I made it through pretty good.
Well, idiots, that's it for this adventure. Started filming a little late, so you missed us going down the rapids, so we'll do that next time. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, till the next adventure. Peace out.
What do you have to say for yourself?
That whole time. Fell in the creek, getting out at the end of the trip.
Way to be, way to be.
Had to happen once.
Yep, my new kayak.
I just scared all your fish away.
Peace out. Have a good one. Where are you guys? Oh, right there.
Be mindful.
Be mindful. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. There comes the bear. Coming out of the bush. You're the bear.
Fell in dam water.
Get tripped, guys.
Look at that.
Killer trap.
Boom.
DIY wedding ring
Holder.
here.